union and union all the definition are example. Union operator allow to combine the result set of two or more select statement. Union operator is a similar union all operator. The difference is union operator select only distinct value and the union all operator select a duplicate values. Go to the SQL for practical. And database is my first test DB and table is cost table. Cost type, cost date, cost amount, and income table type, date and amount as well. The column must be same of the between two table. Okay, now type date amount SL and the data of income table and data of cost table. Okay, now this is the SQL query. Here I will write the union query. Select star from income tab S as dot type as dot date. Just execute. These are the data in the income table. Now same as select star from cost tab. Cost tab as dot cost type. The data type and the column at equal cost date. This is the data of income table and cost table. Now I'm gonna make it union so that it will display the same list. Union. Yes, it's shown as union. Commission, purchase, sale, everything. There are 9 records. Now see that there is in the cost table 6 record and the income table also 6 record. Okay, now just union all, then it will display all record, 12 record. Okay, this is the difference between union and union all. Insert into cost tab. I am just adding some values in the cost table so that you can understand. And the cost type is paper cost and the date is 9/9/18 and another column is amount. Okay, it's added now it's added another one column total is 13 record. Okay, if you use the union then it will only show this 10 column. Okay, now amount, I'm adding one column more to show you cost amount. Yes, just execute. Yes, it's shown 13 column with amount. Union showing distinct value and union all showing all value. Okay, now I'm adding a sum function, aggregate function. In that case I'm adding group by. Just execute. Oh, conversion failed when converting date or the time characteristic. Oh yes, see that the sequence type date in the income table type date and its next second statement cost date then type. In that case it will displaying an error. You should use order by an union operator. Now order by, if you use order by in the first select statement it will display error. I'm just ordering it as type ascending. See that it's showing an error. Incorrect syntax means you must use order by column in the last statement. Though the statement is okay, but union or union all not allowed. Order by must use in the last select statement. Noted. Now just execute. Yes, no error and the data displaying correctly. All recorder is in the ascending order.